I just wanted to give you an update about what I've been doing since the past 1 year and what will I do next. So firstly, starting from 2019, I had actually graduated in the year 2019 and I started doing my job in June. So the job was all about IT and web designing and all those things, as I have completed my engineering and I directly got into a job since I completed the engineering. So after that, I actually kind of lost myself in my job because um, I used to work 9 hours a day, and sometimes it used to get pretty hectic for me to come home and think about something else because the whole day has been stressful working. So I didn't get that much of time to actually think about something else. And I'm not giving any excuses, but on weekends also I felt like I shouldn't post a video because I just didn't feel like making one. So that is why I've been so inconsistent lately. And one more thing that I want guys to update you was I have recently left my job and I'm planning to start my own business, that is www.digitalarva.com. and this business is mostly about digital marketing, SEO, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and how you can basically grow online. So since the past 1 year I've been researching upon uh, these things, and I've been trying to get more clients for my business as well as do my job, and so I didn't get that much of time to post here, and I feel very very bad for you guys because I have been trying to push myself to post a video, but it just doesn't come from inside. So I felt like you guys should know about my life and how I am doing in my personal life as well. So this is the short life update that I wanted to give you guys. And what is the future of this channel? So I'm planning to launch my own e-commerce website, which will actually be about all arts and craft, but I do not know if you guys are interested in that. And I'm also planning to make a course of how craft YouTubers can grow their YouTube channel. So will you guys be interested or no in these two things? Please let me know in the comments down below, so I'll be very happy to read your comments. And the next thing is I've also started a new YouTube channel with the name Digital Arva. I'll mention the link in the description so you can directly click it, and please make sure to subscribe to it. So that channel usually mostly will be about digital marketing and how you can grow your Instagram page, how you can grow a LinkedIn profile. If you don't know what a LinkedIn profile is, I'll mention the link of the video below. And yeah, so that is the short life update that I want to give you guys. And if there is anything you want to share with me as a craft YouTuber, then I'm always there for you. Please mention it down below in the comments and I'll reply to you guys. So till then, take good care of yourself, and I hope you all are fine. I love you all and thank you for supporting even when I'm not posting a single video on my channel. So I guess that's all for today. And